The Supreme Trimmer Darkstar 72 claims its motor runs at 12,000 RPM. That's 20% faster than most professional clippers on the market. But does that translate to better performance? I measured its noise level at 73 decibels. In this complete breakdown, I'll show you if these specs actually matter and whether this $179 investment makes sense for working barbers. Let's take a look inside the box and see what we get. First up, we have the clipper itself, sleek, solid and ready to go. Next, there's a small box inside that holds all the accessories. Let's go through them in order. A USB charging cable, a sturdy charging dock, a cleaning brush to keep the blades in top condition, clipper oil for smooth, long-lasting performance, a fast charge plug for quick and efficient recharging, and finally 8 double magnetic guards. These are high quality and snap on securely, giving you precision and control across a range of length. Then of course we come back to the star of the show, the clipper itself. Is well balanced, powerful and designed for professional performance right out of the box. The Darkstar 72 performs similar to clippers in its price range but doesn't outperform them. The cutting speed stays consistent on all hair textures. The 3-hour battery life claim needs testing during continuous cutting sessions. Professional barbers need clippers that last through long days, and this battery performance looks promising. Testing fade capabilities across different hair textures shows the motor maintains consistent power throughout. Whether I'm working on fine hair for detail work or medium hair for bulk removal, the cutting power stays steady. The motor doesn't fluctuate between different sections of the same haircut. Heat buildup during extended use can cause overheating and can damage hair and hurt clients. After 20 minutes of cutting, the motor housing feels warm but not hot. The heat stays manageable and doesn't affect cutting performance. Some clippers get burning hot after 30 minutes, but this one stays comfortable to hold. The Darkstar 72 excels with fine to medium hair types where the motor runs smoothly and efficiently. One reviewer found the motor speed very impressive and noted the clipper cuts down bulk very well, which matches my testing. However, power means nothing if the clipper is too heavy or too loud for daily use.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
The Darkstar 72 is a solid performer for the price point. At $179, you get decent build quality and reliable cutting power for most hair types. The 78 decibel noise level won't hurt your ears during long cutting sessions. Drop a comment below with what clipper review you want to see next for more honest tool reviews. Sometimes the best clipper isn't the most expensive one, it's the one that fits your specific cutting style and budget. Remember guys to hit the like, subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss any content dropping soon.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?